Definition of interpretation. Interpretation is the process of understanding, explaining, or assigning meaning to something, whether it's a text, action, symbol, speech, or event. Interpretation involves analyzing information, though a particular perspective, often shaped by context, culture, or experience. The purpose can range from uncovering original intents, re-expressing meaning for others, or creating new understanding. Across discipline, interpretation takes on different nuances. In art and literature, it refers to the act of extracting meaning from creative work. In law, interpretation is the way legal texts are understood and applied in linguistics. It involves the decoding of meaning from spoken or written language. In religion, it refers to the understanding of sacred texts. And number two, the complexity of interpretation. Interpretation is really a straightforward process. It's filled with the challenge due to subjectivity, individual belief backgrounds, and experience shape one interpretation. Ambiguity, many expression or symbol can have multiple meaning. Complexing interpretation. Number one, different. The second, communities and third, culture may interpret the same thing in opposite ways. Historical and cultural context interpretation evolve over time depending on socio-cultural development. Linguistic barriers. Cross-language communication often requires contextual rather than literal interpretation. For example, the interpretation of religious texts like the Bible or Quran often leads to varied perspectives even within the same faith. Material number 3 is history of interpretation. The history of interpretation stretches back to ancient times. Key moments include 1. Ancient Greece philosophers like Plato and Aristotle explored the meaning and rhetoric of language. Christian hermeneutic. Early church fathers like Augustine and later reforms. Like Martin, later developed methods for interpreting scripture. Modern era hermeneutic expand into a philosophical domain with thinkers such as Schleiermacher, Ditley, Gadamer, and Ricoeur, emphasizing interpretation in human understanding. Postmodernism questioned the idea of one true meaning, suggesting that interpretation is shaped by power, structure, and social context. Material number 4 is types of interpretation. Common types of interpretation include: the first is literal interpretation. Literal interpretation, understanding things word for word or based on surface meaning. And number 2, conceptual interpretation, grasping the underlying idea behind something. Symbolic interpretation, revealing deeper hidden meanings or metaphor. Cultural interpretation, based on societal norms, value, and tradition. Critical interpretation, analyzing through ideological or political lens. Simultaneous interpretation, translating spoken language in real time. And consecutive interpretation, listening first, then translating in segment. Material number 5 is what is interpreter. An interpreter is someone or something that performs the act of interpretation. The meaning depends on context. Language interpretation, a person who translates spoken language in real time between two languages. Computer science, a software tool that reads and executes code line by the line, unlike a compiler which processes the whole program at once. Art and culture, someone who provides personal or analytical meanings to a piece of work, such as a dance, painting, or poem. Material number 6 is the process of interpretation. Interpretation typically involves several steps. Number 1, perception input, receiving the information, text, speech, or symbol. Number 2, contextual analysis, understanding the background, purpose, and situational context. Number 3, association, connecting the information with prior knowledge or experience. Number 4, inference, drawing conclusion or identifying intent meaning. Number 5, expression, articulating or acting upon the interpreted meaning. A state is influenced by personal, cultural, and situational variables. And material number 7, interpretation in linguistics. In linguistics, interpretation is the process of deriving meaning from language structure. Key components include: number 1, semantic, the study of literal meanings of word and sentence. Pragmatic, understanding how context affect meaning in communication. And inference, interpreting implied meanings or speaker intention. Linguistic ambiguity, meaning a single phrase or sentence Christian maxim, principle that guide effective and cooperative communication. For example, the question, "Can you open the window?" is literally about ability, but pragmatically it's a polite request.